everyone. My name is Tony Huang, the founder of TechExecs Network here in Houston on February 14th, 2013. Happy Valentine's to everybody. We're at the Houston TechExecs chapter, CIO and IT Leadership Roundtable. This morning we have Deepak Chaudhry. He's the CIO of Nexus Health, and he's going to be talking to us about BYOD, Bring Your Own Devices. Thank you so much for participating with us this morning. If you're not able to make it here in person, we also have a webcast online. We're going to start doing that on a monthly basis. So let's go grab a couple people for a quick soundbite. With me is Deepak Chaudhry, and he's the CIO for Nexus Health. How are you, Deepak?
Good, good.
So you are our presenter this morning and our guest speaker. What are you going to be talking about?
I'll be talking about bring your own device management and the challenge that we face as an industry rolling out BYOD devices and strategies in the corporate environment.
Tell us a little bit about Nexus Health.
Nexus Health Systems is a small referral-based hospital system that has roughly about 700 end users, about 200 patient beds scattered throughout the Houston area, and we've got a facility in Orange County, California.
What are some of the emerging things that you think, or takeaway points that you think you're going to be presenting today?
Well, that it's not just about the device itself, it's about the strategy around it. There's anything that comes on our network is a rogue device in our world, right? And how do we manage that? How we secure it? Because in being in healthcare, security is the biggest factor, and you'll learn that in my presentation.
Great. Thank you so much for being a speaker this morning. We look forward to your presentation.
I'm excited. Thank you.
With me is Debbie Ward. She is the new chapter president for Houston 2013. How are you, Debbie?
I'm well, thank you. What a great day.
Thank you for doing such a great job today at the first IT Leadership Roundtable that you're hosting.
It was a lot of fun and very informative and enjoyable. We had a really good turnout. It was exciting.
Think about Deepak and his presentation today.
I thought he was phenomenal. He is an amazing presenter. His content was really rich, and his graphs and charts, I'm in IT, I love that sort of thing, so I thought it went over fabulously with everybody.
And what about the roundtable? You led the roundtable today for the first time, and I saw the interaction with the audience. That was great. So what do you think about their feedback?
I love the interaction with the audience. It's so important because we all sit at the table and we all have a different experience. And it's so important that in that environment, our roundtable is designed to facilitate exchange of information. And that's how we all learn. And I think that happened quite a bit today. So I think the takeaway for me, and hopefully others at the table, is we're all in the same boat. And if you're not doing as much as you think you should be doing with BYOD, neither is your neighbor.
Okay, so what's coming up next in March 14th is a workshop style on how to negotiate with carriers. So you want to talk a little bit about
that? Richard Longview will be our guest speaker that day, and negotiating with carriers is just so pivotally important in everything that you do as an IT leader, because you have to know how to do that with finesse and how to read your contracts and what choices you have and don't have, and what
hold people accountable for their SLAs, right?
That's exactly right. Of course you want that 99.99% uptime. So all of those things, and making sure that whenever you have your RFP and you have your contracts, making sure that you're comparing apples to apples, because rarely is that the case. There's always something different. So it's really an important topic.
For those people that were not able to make it today, what's your compelling reason for them to be here next time?
I think that if you invest in yourself and show up, you're going to take away something that you didn't know when you walked in the door. Time is precious for everybody. I would urge you to show up here, not just for the speaker, but for the interaction that you will have with your IT peers. Because you may not be comfortable speaking to the group, which I hope you will be, but you may not be, but you'll talk to your neighbor, and you may walk away with resolutions to burning issues that you have.
Awesome. Thank you again for being the chapter president for 2013, and we look forward to more of these events with you.
Thank you, Tony. It's going to be a really great 2013, and I couldn't be happier to be here.
And happy Valentine's.
Thank you. Happy Valentine's to you as well.
With me is Serge Finley, one of our Houston chapter members. How are you, Serge?
Good. Nice to be with you today, Tony.
So what do you think about the event this morning?
Oh, this was, as always, a great event. You know, I joined the chapter just recently, a couple of months ago, and I just wonder why I didn't do that before. You know, when you are an IT executive, I mean, the Houston chapter is the place to be, to meet with people and to network and to learn and just to grow in an IT job.
So you came from HP before, right?
That's right.
So what were you doing at HP?
I think I've done about everything you can do in the IT environment. I've been in the last few years. I supported the CIO. I actually supported 8 different CIOs at HP. You know, supporting them for their critical need in terms of strategy planning, communication, and different subjects, which are all the diverse subjects we can get in an IT organization.
So what do you think about BYOD?
BYOD is a new way to say that, as always, the IT organization is finding a new challenge. I mean, we are here to bring new technology and to bring innovation to our companies. And we seem to be always a bit surprised that we don't bring the technology, but the technology is coming to us and we have to live with it. So we have no choice today.
Well, it's great to have you as a member, and we look forward to seeing more of you.
Thank you very much, and I certainly invite everybody who is you know, in an IT organization to join us, because this is just a great place to be.
That was a fabulous event. Again, if you're not able to make it today's event, please join us next time, either online or in person. Again, my name is Tony Huang. I'm the founder of TechExecs Network. Our website is www.techexecs.net. See you next time.